Palm Beach with my two models, and we're going to see Dr. Dorian, and we're going to get these girls some Venus Legacy. Okay, you guys ready?
Ready, you're ready.
All right. I discovered something very exciting for women on the island of Palm Beach. Besides all the designer shopping, there is a doctor out here, Dr. Dorian, doing all sorts of exciting cosmetic procedures, minimally invasive. She has a practice called BioAge MD, and she has a focus on health and wellness. So now when you come to Palm Beach, not only can you do all this fabulous shopping, but you can get a little something done. So let's go meet Dr. Dorian.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dorian, and I have an anti-aging and minimally invasive cosmetic medicine practice.
Her Palm Beach office is located in Royal Ponciana Plaza. She's also the medical director at MD Beauty Labs in West Palm Beach, right over the bridge. Dr. Dorian's practice is like a candy store for women. There are so many wonderful things out there that are available to us now that weren't here a few years ago. All this technology is changing so quickly. It's a great time to be our age, and there's nothing wrong with doing a few things so that you can look and feel better. My two models are going to start their two treatments. Can you explain what you're going to be doing with them?
Yes, what they're going to be doing is the Venus Legacy, which is a new technology. It's a radio frequency device that is extremely efficient in tightening skin. It's also very good with cellulite, since in addition to radio frequency it has a suction. So we've seen excellent results in cellulite reduction with that.
One model is coming because she has loose skin on her legs that she wants to tighten up. So can you explain how many treatments that will take and what it'll entail?
On legs, we've seen generally that probably about 6 to 8 treatments are necessary to see significant improvement.
The other model, she's here for her butt. She's got some cellulite.
Radio frequency improves collagen and tightens skin, and the suction helps with the breakup of fibrous bands that actually pull back the skin and cause the dimples that make cellulite appear the way it does, like an orange peel.
Will they see anything right away, or does it take a period of time?
Most people already see a result after the first treatment.
Now Dr. Dorian is going to give me a little tour of her Palm Beach office, which she calls BioAge MD.
This is one of my exam rooms where you can get IV therapy or Botox, fillers, lasers.
I was going to ask about that. You do all the facial injections, the injectables?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.
Fillers, Juvederm, Voluma, the new one, Belotero, Radiesse, Sculptra, all the fillers.
Okay.
Our IV therapy lounge, where patients can sit in comfortable chairs and get their IV therapy, watch TV, listen to the radio.
And what kind of IV therapy do you do?
We do all kinds of IV therapy. The most popular one is the IV Myers cocktail, which is basically a supercharged multivitamin that you would get intravenously as opposed to take it by mouth. The rationale behind that is that the concentration of the vitamins is higher, and the absorption is so much better through the veins than by mouth, and it also doesn't irritate your stomach.
Does it make you feel better right away? Or is
Yes, I have plenty of people that do it once a week because they really feel that it gives them energy and it perks them up.
Oh, now I want to do all this stuff. Okay, can you show me the juice bar?
Absolutely.
Okay, so what is the juice bar?
So here we have an organic juice bar where we're trying to put very healthy organic ingredients, vegetables and fruits on the wellness side.
So we went to Dr. Dorian's MD Beauty Labs in West Palm Beach because that is where she has the Venus Legacy machine. And this office is just a short distance from her Palm Beach office. Now this is one of the nicest doctor's offices that I have ever seen. It's very pretty. It looks like a beautiful spa. So now the girls are going back to go upstairs to the treatment room to get their Venus Legacy. She's going to do her first treatment today.
Okay.
And she'll do 8 treatments?
The ideal, yes, on the body areas that would be 8, and on the face and neck that would be 6.
This is radio frequency with suction?
With the suction.
This is a great machine.
Yeah, it is.
I've been looking for someone with a machine
latest
like this.
technology, I'll say it this way. And it works not just for skin tightening, works very good for cellulite.
And will she see a result after today's treatment?
Yes, you will leave here seeing already a little bit.
So what we're addressing is the kind of the loose skin and the cellulite.
Yes.
Okay.
It's going to be here. So the treatment is going to take 40 minutes, 10 minutes on each part. That would be a full treatment for the thighs. And radio frequency, the heat, that's what it's going to make to make the production of the collagen.
And that takes a full 6 months to get to the tightest. Okay.
Yeah.
I interviewed Dr. Dorian last week and I asked her if there's any pain from the suction. She said the opposite.
Actually, it feels good.
Yeah. So that you don't feel any pain from the suction?
Oh God, no pain. No, this feels good. It feels like a warm massage.
Radio frequency on my face, and I did it back in August and I kind of forgot about it. And then 3 or 4 months later I kept thinking, no, it tightened up and I was like, what did I do to my face?
Okay.
It took that long to
Got it,
see.
yeah.
Her big issue, I guess, is around the knees.
Yes.
So what you're doing, that'll tighten up from the...
Yes.
Okay,
You see
I got
this,
the zoom on.
This line,
Separated, yeah.
like they are not together. It's
Exactly.
like this.
That must be like the bands breaking up or something.
Yep.
Okay, so this is right after. Here we are, post-treatment. Now, right away, we do notice a difference. We can see a little improvement, a little more smoothness in the breaking up of those fibrous bands in the cellulite. But the real improvement from the radio frequency is going to take several treatments and a few months. Now we're moving on to my second model, who is here to get a firmer and smoother derriere. Now, does this make the butt lift up? Yes, all right. Butt lift.
That's the whole thing here. The first time we'll do, and she'll be happy today.
So she'll notice it right away.
Oh yeah,
And
absolutely.
it'll be tighter then. It'll
Oh, yeah,
tight and lift.
absolutely.
It's like getting a butt lift.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
that's
Not
wonderful.
surgical way. Still,
non-surgical.
realistically, we have to think
Sure.
this is not the surgery, but a lot of improvements for sure.
Oh.
Right. We need to have a little bit of patience.
Yeah, I know.
6
That's the thing about
That's-
waiting the 6
That's
months.
the hard part.
Like, are you going to tell us what we need to do now when we go home? Like, are you going to say you need to drink
Well,
lots of water?
absolutely, lots of water and walking.
Walking.
I mean, it's good to exercise
Sure.
anyhow, and definitely walking, drinking water and walking, that's the best thing to do to flush out your system. It's a lot of toxins there, so we don't want to keep that in our body.
Right, so we want to move it out.
That's right.
So when you finish your Venus Legacy treatment, you can grab a big bottle of water and go right back to Worth Avenue and shop and walk and flush everything out. My models did their first treatment with the Venus Legacy. First of 6 to 8 treatments that they'll each need. Right now, they both told me that they noticed a little more smoothness to the skin. That would be the cellulite breaking up from the suction. But the radio frequency part is going to take several months. They have to complete their treatments, and then over a 3 to 6 month period, they'll start to see the tightening and firmness of the skin. And I know radio frequency works because I did it on my face, and I had kind of forgotten about it. And about 4, 5, 6 months later, I started to notice I had a new, almost a new texture to my skin. It was tighter. And I noticed a big difference, so I'm sure it's going to turn out great, and I'm going to keep you posted with a follow-up video. So this will be very exciting to see the results from this new Venus Legacy machine. It's brand new technology. Dr. Dorian has it. It's very important that you go to a doctor that has the updated equipment because lasers and radio frequency machines are very expensive. So doctors tend to hang on to them for several years. So you might go to a doctor thinking you're getting the latest technology and you're really getting something that's a few years old. And it makes such a difference. These things are changing so rapidly. You want the latest equipment. Makes a big difference. There is nothing wrong with doing a few things to tweak yourself so you can look and feel your best.